Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Zendesk to N8N. First, go to the N8N website and log into your account. Then, click on Create Workflow from the top right corner. Now, click on Add First Step and search for Zendesk, then click on it. After that, click on Actions and choose one. For example, click on Create a Ticket. Now, you'll be asked to select a credential. Click on Create New Credential and enter your Zendesk subdomain, email, and API token. Then click on Save. Next, go back and select the resource and operation. For example, you can choose Ticket as the resource and Create as the operation. Now enter the description for your Zendesk ticket. You can also turn the toggle on or off for JSON parameters depending on how you want to format the request. Once everything is set, click on Execute step to test the integration and see if your Zendesk connection works properly. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.